Urban investments across the African continent are at an all-time high, and the nature of these investments differs starkly across cities on the continent. Construction is one of the largest industry sectors in Ethiopia and, according to some estimates, the second largest employment generator after agriculture. The construction industry in the country is growing and offering a green market through the various ongoing mega projects. Ethiopia has recently constructed marvelous projects including urban development projects, bridges, dams and industrial projects, among others. The beautifully designed Wello Sefer overpass on Bole Road is just a glimpse of the huge potential Ethiopia has yet to exhibit to the world in terms of large public construction projects. To expand Ethiopia's infrastructure and to create jobs, the government has launched several multi-billion mega construction projects, and the country is ranked among East Africa countries witnessing a boom in mega construction project. In this video, we will present the 8 most amazing mega projects in Ethiopia. Before we continue, take a moment to support our channel by liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting future videos. So without any further delays, here are the top most amazing mega projects in Ethiopia. Genail Dawa 3 Hydroelectric Power Plant. Ethiopia has inaugurated the delayed Genail Dawa 3 hydroelectric power plant. The project, which was built on Dawa River in southeast of the country, has a total installed generating capacity of 254 megawatts. The 110-meter-high and 426-meter-long dam has a capacity to hold 2.5 billion cubic meters of water. Built by a Chinese firm, China Jizhaoba Group, the Genail Dawa 3 hydroelectric plant has consumed a total investment outlay of $451 million, out of which about $68 million was provided by the government of Ethiopia. The remaining was covered by a loan. The project was initially launched in 2010, but was temporarily suspended for more than a year due to certain setbacks related to resettlement of residents living close to the dam. The project is said to help increase the country's electric power generation capacity to 4654 megawatts from the existing 4,400 megawatts and help enhance the economic benefits of Genail and Dawa communities through expanding irrigation development. Mezob Tower. The 70-story Mezob Tower development will be located in Ethiopia's capital city, Addis Ababa. It will be 250 meters high and will sit on a 20,000 square meters of land. The building is designed in a shape like a mezob, which is an Ethiopian household utensil where food is kept. The $681 million project will feature hotels, shopping malls, a cultural center representative of all regions of Ethiopia, a gym and a golf club, among other things. The project is said to be 49% financed by foreign joint venture agreement. The rest will be covered by domestic sources. According to Ethiopia's Minister of Culture and Tourism, Dr. Hirat Kazsaw, a memorandum of understanding was signed between the ministry and the architects who designed the tower to commence construction. The project is expected to start early this year, and completion of the world-class skyscraper is expected in 2024. Beautifying Sheger. Another amazing project in Ethiopia is the Beautifying Sheger. The project is sponsored by the Ethiopian government that aims to clean rivers and create public works in the capital city, Addis Ababa. It was launched in 2019 under Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and aims to run for 3 years. Beautifying Sheger project aims to clean up the rivers, making the city a model of green development in the process. The 3-year project, expected to cost $900 million, aims to enhance the well-being of city dwellers by mitigating flooding and pollution through the creation of public spaces and parks, bicycle paths and walkways along the riverside. La Gare. The new ultra-modern smart city called La Gare, translated from French which means the station, was the main railway station in Addis Ababa, the terminal station of the first Addis Ababa-Djibouti train line in the Horn of Africa. Completed in 1917, the station was a central part of the capital and the main source of traffic into the city. La Gare will present a new lifestyle central for Addis Ababa, with its exceptional layout of residences and commercial offices. Laguerre represents an integrated community comprising residential, commercial, hospitality, retail and leisure facilities in a single, secure and exclusive setting surrounding a park. At the heart of the community will be two 34-story towers that open to majestic views of the city and beyond, in addition to framing a new skyline for the city. The project is the largest mixed-use project in Ethiopia, with over 4,000 residences, expected to occupy 360,000 square meters and create job opportunities for over 25,000 Ethiopians. The development is in proximity to the Addis Ababa International Airport, with a rail line running along its northern edge. The project, which was inaugurated in 2018 by the Ethiopian government, is being undertaken in collaboration with Eagle Hills, a private real estate company of Abu Dhabi, at an estimate cost of about $1.5 billion. The government of Ethiopia, in partnership with Eagle Hills, also aims to develop a social housing component within the masterplan, where residential units will be built to permanently accommodate the existing residents currently living in the project site. Addis tomorrow. Addis Tomorrow Special Economic Zone is committed to building a model for Ethiopia's future urban development based on Ethiopia, radiating Africa and serving the world, matching its position as the political center of Africa. According to the layout of 2 parks and 2 centers, the Special Economic Zone includes Culture Park, Science and Technology Park, Commercial and Trading Center, Residential and Leisure Center. The planning and design of the special zone, the intelligent security of the zone, the professional service and the high-quality experience closely cooperate. The $3 billion project will provide new impetus for the economic development of Addis Ababa, drive it to become a new economic center and development model for Africa, and make it the future of Ethiopia and Africa. Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway. The 752.7 kilometers Ethiopia-Djibouti Railway Modernization Project, also known as the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway, is the first modern electrified railway line in East Africa. The project is jointly owned by the governments of Ethiopia and Djibouti and constructed by China Railway Group and China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation. The modernization provides landlocked Ethiopia with faster access to the port of Djibouti. The railway connecting Ethiopia with Djibouti via Dire Dawa is a 780 km meter gauge line opened in 1917. It is the only railway line that connects landlocked Ethiopia with Djibouti port, a major cargo entry point, but deteriorated due to a lack of maintenance and management. Largest airport in Africa. Ethiopia is set to construct the largest airport in Africa in Bishoftu, a town located 39 kilometers southeast of the capital Addis Ababa. The $5 billion airport is expected to cover an area of 35 square kilometers and will have a capacity to handle 100 million passengers every year. The new airport is also expected to significantly reduce congestion at Bole. The rapid growth of Ethiopian Airlines, being the largest airline in Africa by fleet size and revenue, has not kept up with the air infrastructure. The country's Bole International Airport was recently renovated to handle passenger capacity up 22 million passengers annually. Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam project has been under construction since 2011. It is in the Benishangul Gumuz region of Ethiopia, about 15 kilometers east of the border with Sudan. At 6,450 megawatts, the dam will be the largest hydroelectric power plant in Africa when completed, as well as the 7th largest in the world. The project, which is currently almost completed. The reservoir will take an estimated 5 to 15 years to fill with water. The project has, however, faced various delays and challenges, including the regional dispute over the flow of River Nile and also cancellation of the initial contract with METEC, which is run by the Ethiopian military. So there you have it, those are the 8 most amazing mega projects of Ethiopia. Do you know about other exciting projects which wasn't on our list? Share this information in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and would like to get more from a definitive information about trends and mega constructions projects in Africa, subscribe to the New Africa channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.